Hello friends, my name is Srudhin VS. Welcome to my channel Techmerize. Before we start, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel so that you can get latest tech videos whenever I upload. Few days back, my spouse asked for an earphone. Her requirements were two things. One, it should have a mic. Another, it should not cost more than 1000 rupees. There were obviously two choices. One is JBL, another is Sennheiser. I already have a JBL CS100 SI, and frankly, I don't like the design of Sennheiser. No offense Sennheiser fans. So I thought I would give a try for another earphone. Here is our earphone. One more piston fit, and let's unbox. In the box, we have our earphone, ear tips and a manual. One important thing about the earphones are use the right ear tip. Using the right sized ear tip is very important as this should determine the entire listening experience from any headphone. Let's look at the specification about the earphone. We have type in-ear and weight is around 14 to 18 grams. Yes, we have a line control and length is around 1.25 meters for the cord. Connector, we have 3.5 mm jack and speaker impedance sensitivity is 100 decibel per megawatt and frequency range is 20 to 20,000 Hz, which is in the human hearing range, and rated power is 5 megawatt and driver size is 10 mm. Let's talk a little about design. The earphones are built using 45-degree design, which would let the earphone sit comfortably in your ear. The body of the earphone is made out of metal and the groove design pattern is fingerprint resistant and looks very good also. The cord is made out of rubber and the 3.5 mm pin is gold plated, which is a good thing because it will help make good contact with the socket and gives good output. So let's go ahead and test it out. There is no punchy bass for this earphone. So if you are someone who likes enhanced bass on songs, you should not go for this. And the quality of these earphones are very good. I should mention that. And the initial usage, I found that the sound quality is above average for an earphone at this price point. Let's test the mic of this earphone. This audio is recorded using this earphone. And from the earlier usages, I found out that the recording using this earphone is okay. So you don't need to worry about voice quality from this mic. So let's conclude. Overall, this headphone is a very good buy. The sound quality is very good and the build quality is great. But if you want extra bass from your earphones, this is not for you. You should make another choice. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you find this video informative, please like and subscribe to my channel and also click on that bell icon so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. Goodbye and see you on the next video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you find this video informative, please click like and subscribe to my channel. Also click on that bell icon so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you and goodbye.